Welcome to our online tutorial on using the styles in the JoCat style template. I'm Vic Segadin and I'm going to take you through the basics of using styles in our template. This tutorial is for Mac users. JoCat requires its authors to make their submissions in Microsoft Word. The JoCat style template has been designed so that authors can easily format their articles. The style sheet has been specially designed so that your submission can be read with ease by the JoCat editors, peer reviewers, copy editors and designer. This template can be downloaded from the JoCat website. Step 1. Open the JoCat style template Word document. You will notice that all the styles in the template are listed in the body of the document. Let's familiarise ourselves with the styles. We have a hierarchy of headings. JoCat heading is for the title of your paper. The headings JoCat sub 1 to sub 3 give you plenty of scope for your paper's heading hierarchy. We have JoCat body that you will use for your paragraphs. This has a space after built into it, so you do not need to add a double return after your paragraphs. We also ask that you do not use a double space after a full stop. This way, the designer doesn't have to take them all out when taking your paper into the website. There are styles for bullets and quotes included for your use too, and a style for your image credits and for your reference list. Familiarise yourself with these as they are what is required in your JoCat submission. Please note that you can make a submission with special formatting. Make sure you answer the question in the submission form about special formatting requirements. These will be negotiated with the JoCat team if your submission is accepted for publication. Step 2. Check you have the Home tab showing in your Word document. Make sure you have the Show Hide formatting marks selected. Turn these on so it is easier to see where you have a double return or a double space when you come to take them out of your submission. Click on the Styles pane button here. This will bring up the style sheet window that you can see on the right. Step 3. We want to keep these styles in our document. So scroll down to the next page. This is where you can start formatting your JoCat submission. We will go back and delete this list of styles when we've finished formatting the paper. Step 4. You can start writing your paper here using the styles as you go, but in this tutorial I will show you how to style an already written paper. First, open your previously saved submission document. I have a dummy document here to demonstrate. Now select all and copy. Let's go back to the JoCat style template and paste in your text. We need to take all your styles out, so select only your document and click on Clear Formatting. Be very careful not to include the JoCat headings that are at the beginning of the document. Now your paper is ready to be formatted correctly. Step 5. Select all your text again, once again not including the JoCat style list at the beginning of the document. We will start by putting all of your text into JoCat body. We do this because most of your paper will be in this style, and this way we don't need to style every paragraph individually. Now select your heading and click on JoCat heading, and your name and click on JoCat author. Now click on Abstract heading and select JoCat sub 1. You can follow this step for any other heading that should be at this heading level and use JoCat sub 2 for any at the next level down and sub 3 for the next level down again. Then you can go through all your paragraphs. Use JoCat bullet for any bullet points you have used. And you will see that there are two JoCat quote styles, both indented. One in Roman for quotes from your references that are more than 40 words, and an italic quote style if you're quoting a conversation with a client, for example. Images should always be credited, and we have a style for this too, JoCAT Image Credit. You can read more about what needs to be included and the correct formatting of your image credits in the submission manual, which you can download from the website. And finally, there is a style for your reference list. Note, you will need to italicize book titles and journal names, etc. manually. There is more information and plenty of resources to help you format your references correctly in APA version 7 on the JoCAT website. Step 6. Now go to the beginning of your document and delete the list of JoCAT styles. Step 7. Go through the whole document and make sure that everything is in a JoCAT style. Check all your references again and ensure there are no double returns and double spaces. Your paper is now ready to submit to JoCAT. Please use the Make Your Submission to JoCAT form on the website. There is also a step-by-step guide of this tutorial in the submission manual. If you need more help using the JoCAT style template, please contact me using the email address below. Thank you, and we look forward to receiving your correctly formatted submission.